Good morning students. In the previous video exercise 11b is completed. So in this video we will start exercise 11c. Then first sum is multiply. First part 3x, 5x square y and 2y. So we have to do multiply of all three terms. So we will write 3x multiply 5x x square y multiply 2y. This. So first we will do the multiply of constant or numbers. 3 5 is 15, 2 is 30. So about the x, here power 1, here 2, here x is having power 1, here 2. So in multiply we will not see whether terms are like or unlike. Only in addition and subtraction we will see about the terms like and unlike. So it doesn't matter in multiply whether terms are like or unlike. 3 5 is 15, 2 is 30. So about the powers of the variable. In multiply, power will be added. In multiply, power of the variable will be added. So here power 1, x is having power 1, here x is having power 2, here no x, it means 1 plus 2, 3. About power of y. Here no y, here y is having power 1, here also 1, it means 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 30x cube y square. Move to the third part. 5x plus 2y multiply 3xy. Students, here we are doing the multiply of binomial to monomial. So in this, we have to take this inside the bracket. This binomial we will take inside the bracket. Why? Because we have to do the multiply once by 5x and once by 2y. So we will take inside the bracket. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. About x, power 1, here also 1, then power 2, then y. Then plus sign, 2 3s are 6. First y is coming, but we will write x first. So x only. Then about y, here power 1, here also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 15x square y plus 6xy square. Listen again. 3 5s are 3 5s are 15. Here x, here also power 1. So power 2. And then y. 3 2s are 6. Then x, here y power 1, here also have power 1. So y square. So answer is 15x square y plus 6xy square. Next, fifth part. 4a plus 5b multiply 4a minus 5b. So now we are doing the multiply of binomial to binomial. So both we will take inside the bracket. Now friends, see how we will do the multiply. First we will write this 4a. Then this complete binomial expression 4a minus 5b. Then we will write this plus 5b. Then again complete binomial 4a minus 5b. Now we will do the multiply. Once this multiply and once this multiply. So 4 4s are 16a square. Because here power 1, here also 1, it means a square. Then plus minus minus 4 5s are 20ab. A and 20ab. Then plus 5 4s are 20ab. BA is coming, so we will write AB. Then plus minus minus 5 5s are 25b square. Then 16a square minus 20ab plus 20ab, both are like and they are having opposite sign, same terms, so we can cut them. Or we can say minus 20ab plus 20ab, it becomes 0ab, then no need to write any ab. Then what is left? Minus 25b square. So students, answer is 16a square minus 25b square. Let's see 8th part. That is 6xy square minus 7x square y plus 10x cube and minus 3x square by cube. will write 6xy square minus 7x square y plus 10x. It is trinomial, so that we will take inside the bracket. Then multiply minus 3x square by 2. So with this minus 3x square by 2, we have to do the multiply with all three terms. So minus plus, because 6xy square is positive, so minus plus minus 3 6 are 18 about x. Here power 1, here power 2, it means 3. Then about y, here power 2, here 3, it means 5. Then minus minus plus 3 7 are 21, x raised to the power 4, y raised to the power 4. Then plus minus minus 10 3s are 30, x raised to the power 5, 3 plus 2 5, then y raised to the power 3. So students, answer is minus 18x cubed y raised to the power 5 plus 21x raised to the power 4 y raised to the power 4 minus 30x raised to the power 5 y raised to the power 3. Now students, second sum, that is copy and complete the following multiplication. So we have to do the multiply, but these questions are given in column. So by using the column method, we will do the multiply. So minus 3xy multiply 2b. It means minus plus minus, minus plus minus. Then multiply 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. About variables that b, x, y. Minus plus minus 3 to the 6 bx y. Now minus plus minus 3 3s are 9 ax y. Answer is minus 9axy minus 6bxy. Listen again, minus plus minus 3 to the 6 bxy minus plus minus 3 to the 9axy. Third, minus minus plus 5 6 are 30 x cube y. Then minus minus plus 5 2s are 10 x raised to the power 4 y. Minus minus plus 5 to the 10 x raised to the power 4 y. Minus plus minus 5 3s are 15 x cube y square, because here x is having power 1, here 2, it means 3. Then here power 1, y is having power 1, here also 1, it means 2. So minus 15x cube y square plus 10x raised to the power 4 y plus 30x cube y. Move to the fourth part. First, now you can see binomial multiply binomial. First we will do the multiply of this b with a and b. So b into b square, then b into a plus b square is coming. B into a. Then both are positive, so it means that product will come positive. A into b, a into b, a. Now see students, AB is coming and one AB is already there. So we will write that AB just under this AB with sign. Then A into A, it means A square, so we will write A square here separately. Now we will add. Listen students, in second multiplication, if we are having any like term with first multiplying, so we will write under that like terms. So B square as it is, because no variable is here. Then AB plus AB, 2AB, AB plus AB, 2AB, then A square. So answer is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now students see 8th part, that is 6 minus 3x plus 2x square multiply 1 plus 5x minus x square. So minus plus minus 2 1 the 2x raised to the power 4. Then minus minus plus 3 1 the 3 x cube. Because here power 1, here 2, it means power 3. 6 1 का 6 plus minus minus 6x square. So we had done the multiply with minus x and these all three terms. Now multiply with 5x. Then 5 2s are 10 x cube. Here power 1, here 2. So 10x cube is coming. So any other x cube in first multiply? Yes. So this we will write just under this 10x cube. Then plus minus minus 5 is a 15x square. Any other x square? Yes. So minus 15x square we will write here. Then 5 6 are 30x. 5 6 are 30x. So we will write here plus 30x. Because no like term with x in first multiply, so we will write separate here plus 30x. Then multiply with 1. 1 into 2, 2 1 are 2x square. So any x square? Yes. So plus 2x square. Here we will write. Then plus minus minus 3x. Any x? Yes. Minus 3x here. Because item is this with x, 3x. So 6 1 ka 6. Any only number in first or either second multiply? No. So we will write the 6 here. Then now we will add and subtract the terms. So 6 as it is. Then plus 30x minus 3x, it will come plus 27x. 30 minus 3, 27. Then minus 2x raised to the power 4. Then plus 3 and plus 10 plus 13x cube. Then minus 6x square minus 15x square plus 2x square. 2 negative term, 1 positive term. So minus 6 minus 15 means minus 21. Then plus 2. So minus 21 plus 2 means minus 19x cube. X square. Students, one more thing now. If terms are arranged according to the decreasing order of power, so it will be better. So we will arrange the terms in decreasing order of power. So first we will write minus 2x raised to the power 4. Then plus 13x cube. Then minus 19x square. Then plus 27x. Then plus 6. So this is the answer. Student, we can leave the answer till here also. But if we will arrange the term in decreasing order, then it will be better and it will one more step in answer. Third sum, that is evaluate. So first part is c plus 5 inside the bracket and c minus 3 also inside the bracket. You can see, students, between both the bracket no sign is written. It means multiply. So we have to do the multiply of both the binomial. So see how we will do. First we will write this c. Then bracket c minus 3. First we will write this c, then this complete expression. Then we will write plus 5. Then this complete expression. So now we will do the multiply. So multiply is in two parts here. This and this. So c into c, c square plus minus 3 into c, 3c. Then plus, both are positive, so plus 5 into c, 5c. Plus minus 5 3s are 15. So now we will see the like terms. So c square, any other c square, minus 3c plus 5c, both are like. So this pair is like. So c square minus 3c plus 5c we can solve. Minus 3 plus 5, it will come minus plus minus 5 minus 3, 2. Which number is greater? 5 is greater, having positive sign. So plus 2c. Then minus 15. After this, no other pair of like terms is written. So after this, we cannot solve further. So answer is c square plus 2c minus 15. Next, third part. It is also same, but the terms are given in fraction. So no problem, we can solve. 1 upon 2a. Then 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b. Then plus 1 upon 2b, 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2a into 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 4a square. Plus minus minus 1 upon 2ab. Then plus 1 upon 2, 1 upon here not 1 upon 2 student, 1 upon 4a, because 1 upon 2a multiply 1 upon 2b, 2 to the 4. In the same way here also 1 into 1, 1 1 the 1, 2 to the 4, 1 upon 4a. Then plus minus minus 1 upon 4b square. So students, see this minus 1 upon 4ab plus 1 upon 4ab we can cancel. So 1 upon 4a square minus 1 upon 4b square. So they both are unlike terms. We cannot solve further. So answer is 1 upon 4a square minus 1 upon 4b square. So now move to the fourth part. A square plus 2ab plus b square inside the bracket. Then a plus b also inside the bracket. So student, first we will write a square. Then a plus b, then plus 2ab, then a plus b, then plus b square, then a plus b. Now we will do the multiply. A square into a means a cube. Then a square into b, a square b. Then plus 2ab into a, it means 2a square b. Then plus 2ab square. Now this multiply. B square into a means ab square. Then plus b square into b means b cube. Now we will see the like terms. A cube, any other a cube. See, no a cube. Then a square b, any other a square b. Yes. This a square b, any other? No. Then ab square, any other ab square? Yes. So terms are already arranged according to the like and unlike. So we can solve. So one group is this, one group of like term is this. So ab square plus 2ab square plus 3a square b. A square b plus 2a square b means 3a square b. Same here, plus 3ab square, then plus b cube. So answer is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b. See fifth part of third sum, that is 3x minus 1 inside the bracket, 4x2 minus 2x square plus 6x minus 3 also inside the bracket. So we have to do the multiply. First we will write this 3x, then this complete expression 4x cube minus 2x square plus 6x minus, then minus 1, then this complete expression 4x cube minus 2x square plus 6x minus. Now we will do the multiply. So 3 4 the 12 x raised to the power 4, because this power 1, this power 3, it means power 4. Then plus minus, minus 3 to the 6x cube. Then 3 6 are 18 plus 18x square. Then plus minus minus 9x. Now minus 1 into 4x cube. So minus plus minus 4x cube minus minus plus 2x square minus plus minus 6x minus minus plus 3. So now we will see the like terms. So 12x4, any other x4, just keep no. Minus 6x cube, any other x cube, yes. Minus 4x cube, any other x cube, no. Plus 18x square, any other x square, yes. Plus 2x square. Then minus 9x, any other x, yes. Minus 6x. Then this plus 3. So we have written all the terms. So now we will solve the group of like terms. So one group is this, one group is this, one group is this. So 12x raised to the power 4 we will write as it is. Minus 6x cube minus 4x cube means minus 10x cube plus 18x square plus 2x square. It means plus 2x 20x square. Then minus 9x minus 6x means minus 15x. Then plus 3. So this is the answer. Now students move to the 7th part. That is 8 minus 12x plus 7x square minus 6x cube. Then 5 minus 2x. So first we will write 8. Then this complete expression 5 minus 2x. Then minus 12x. Then 5 minus 2x. Then plus 7x square. Then 5 minus 2x. Then minus 6x cube. Then 5 minus 2x. Now 8 5s are 40. Plus minus minus 8 to the 16x. Minus plus minus 12 5s are 16x. Minus minus plus 12 to the 24, x into x is 5. Then 7 5s are 35, x square. Plus minus minus 7 to the 14, x cube. Then minus plus minus 6 5s are 30, x cube. Minus minus plus 6 to the 12, x raised to the power 4. Now we will arrange the pair of like terms. So student, we can see they are already arranged. One pair is this, one pair is this, one pair is this. So 40 we will write as it is. Minus 16 minus 60x means minus 76x. Then plus 24 plus 35, it will come plus 69, 49 x is 5. No, it will come 24 plus 35. So 59x square plus 59x square minus 14x cube minus 30x cube minus 44x cube. Then plus 12x raised to the power 4. So students, this is the answer. Next, 9th part. 6p square minus 8p cube plus 2q square. Then minus 5p. So we are doing the multiply of multinomial to monomial. So easily we can do minus plus minus 5 6 are 30 p cube. P square here 1 p cube. Minus minus plus 5 8 are 40 p square cube. Minus plus minus 5 2 are 10 p cube square. So this is the answer. So about 10th part. Students, here multiply is given in 3 algebraic expression. This 2 and 1/3 is this. So first do the multiply of these 2 algebraic expression. So minus plus minus 4 into 15 60xy. Minus plus minus 4 into 12 48y square. Minus minus plus 8 for the 32 yz inside the bracket. Then x minus 2y. So this multiply of by algebraic expression you have to do yourself, then find the answer and comment the answer in comment box. See fourth sum, that is evaluate. First part is a plus b, a minus b. So we will solve first part, that is a plus b, a minus b. So means multiply of both the algebraic expression. So first we will write this a, then this complete algebraic expression, then plus b, then again a minus. So multiply is given in two parts here. So a into a square, plus a multiply minus b, plus minus a into b, a, then plus this one is also plus. So b into a, b a, we can write plus a, plus minus b square, b into b, b square. So a minus ab plus ab can cancel. Then what is left? A square minus b square. So answer of first part is a square minus b square. Second part, a square plus b square inside the bracket, a plus b, a minus b, using the result of first. So first part was this. So we can put the value here in place of a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, because we already had solved here. So this we will write as it is. So a square plus b square inside the bracket, in place of a plus b, a minus b, we can write this, because it is the solution of first part, and first part was this. So we can write a square minus b square. So now we will do the multiply. First is a square, then a square minus b square, then plus b square, then a square minus b square. So a square into a square, a raised to the power 4. Then plus a square multiply minus b square, plus minus a square b square. Then plus a square b square. Then plus minus b raised to the power 4. Then you can see minus a square b square plus a square b square cancel. So what is left? A raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4. So it is the answer of second part. Now see third part. A raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4, a square plus b square, then a plus b, a minus b, using the result of second. So this we have already solved here, this much portion. Second part was this, and we had solved here a square, a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4. So for this much portion we can write this. So this we will write as it is, a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4, bracket close. Then a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4. So multiply of this, a raised to the power 4, bracket, a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4. Then plus b raised to the power 4, a raised to the power 4 minus b raised to the power 4, bracket close. Now we will do the multiply. A raised to the power 4 multiply a raised to the power 4 means a raised to the power 8. Then plus minus a raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 4. Then this plus a raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 4. Plus minus b raised to the power 8. 4 plus 4, 8. So these two we can cancel, because same term having opposite sign. So what is left? A raised to the power 8 minus b raised to the power 8, and answer is this. Now students, see fifth sum, first part. Fifth sum is also evaluated. First part is 3x minus 2y, 4x plus 3y. And we have to do the multiply, as you know this. So 3x, then 4x plus 3y, minus 2y, then 4x plus 3y. So 3x into 4x, 3 4 the 10, x is 5. Then plus, this also plus 3 3 the 9, x 5. Minus plus, minus 2 for the 8 xy minus plus minus 2 3 the 6 y square. Now about the like terms, so they are already arranged in one group is this one. Then 12x square plus 9xy minus 8xy, it will come plus 1xy is plus xy, then minus 6y square. Answer of first part is 12x square plus xy minus 6y square. Move to the second part. 3x minus 2y, 4x plus 3y, 8x minus 5y. Students, you can see in first part this multiply is given. In second part this multiply is also given this part. So we will not use this multiply or this solution here because both the parts are separate. So first we will do this multiply. 3 multiply are given, so first we will do the multiply between these two. That multiply we will do later. So 3x, then 4x plus 3y minus 2y, 4x plus 3y. Then this 8x minus 5y. So 3 x into 4x, 12x square plus 9xy minus 8xy minus plus minus 6y square. Then 8x minus 5y. This we will take in square bracket like this. So 12x square plus 9xy minus 8xy means plus xy minus 6y square bracket. Then 8x minus 5y. So now we will do this multiply. So this term and this complete expression. 12x square, then 8x minus 5 plus xy, then 8x minus 5, then minus 6y square, 8x minus 5. Now multiply. 3 group of multiply. So 12 8s are 96x cube plus minus 60x square y, then plus xy into 8x, so 8x square y plus minus 5xy square minus plus minus 6 8 the 48xy square minus plus 6 5 the 30y cube. Then 96x cube, any other x cube? No. So terms are already arranged. So 96x cube as it is, one pair is this, one group is this. So minus 60x square y plus 8x square y. It will come minus 52x square y. Then minus 5xy square minus 48xy square, it will come minus 53xy square. Then plus 30y square. So this is the answer. Now students, see fifth part, evaluate. A plus 1 inside the bracket, a square minus a plus 1 also inside the bracket, and a minus 1 inside the bracket, a square plus a plus 1 also inside the bracket. So it means we have to do the multiply between these two expressions and these two also. So we will do the multiply of the expressions separately. So first do the multiply of these two expressions. So we will write a plus 1, then a square minus a plus 1. This multiply we will do. So this a, then a square minus a plus 1, then plus 1, a square minus a plus 1. So we will do the multiply. A to a square, a cube, then plus minus a square, then plus a to 1 a, then there is plus 1 and a square minus a plus 1. So all the terms open with same sign or same number because we have to do the multiply with plus 1. So plus a square minus a plus 1. Now students, see, minus a square plus a square cancel, plus a minus a cancel. What is left now? A cube plus 1. A cube plus 1. So multiply of both the expression is coming a cube plus 1. Now we will do this multiply. So we will draw a line here. A minus 1, then a square plus a plus 1. So a and this complete expression. Minus 1, a square plus a plus 1. Now we will do the multiply. A into a square, a cube, plus into a square, then plus into 1 a. Minus a square, minus plus minus a, minus minus plus 1. So a cube, any other a cube? No. So see students, plus a square, minus a square cancel, plus a minus a cancel. What is left? A cube plus 1. So we have the multiply of these two expressions is a cube plus 1. Now this portion which is given in question, a plus 1, a square minus a plus 1 means this multiply plus this multiply. So this multiply is same as this and this multiply is also same as this. So only we have to add both the multiply. So we have the solution of this multiply is a cube plus 1. We have the solution. So first write this portion. A plus 1, then a square minus a plus 1, then plus a minus 1, a square plus a plus 1. So this multiply here, so we already solved here. So in place of this multiply we can write a cube plus 1, then plus a cube plus. Now we can solve a cube plus a cube, 2a cube, 1 plus 1, 2. So answer is 2a cube plus 2. This is that is multiply. In that first part is fifth part, not first part, fifth part. Minus 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. So minus 2x and this expression 2x minus 3y. Then plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. So minus plus minus 2 to the 4x square. Minus minus plus 2 3 the 6x square. Then plus this also plus 3 to the 6x y. Plus minus minus 3 3 the 9y square. So you can see plus 6xy, this also positive, 6xy we cannot cut. So minus 4x square plus 6xy and plus 6xy it will come plus 12xy, then minus 9y square. So after this we cannot solve further. So answer is minus 4x square plus 12xy minus 9y square. Then move to the 11th. So we have to do the multiply of both the expressions. So this one and this complete expression, minus 1 plus 3x minus 3x square plus 6x square, so minus 1 plus 3x minus 3x square, then minus 4x cube, then minus 1 plus 3x minus 3x square. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Then plus 3x minus 3x square. Then plus minus minus 6 1 the 6x square. Then this one is positive, this one is also positive. 6 3 the 18x cube. How cube? Here x is having power 2, here 1 means 2 plus 1, 3. Then plus minus minus 6 3 the 18x raised to the power 4. Then minus minus plus 4x cube, minus plus minus 4 3 the 12x raised to the power 4, minus minus plus 4 3 the 12x raised to the power 5. Now student we will see the like terms. So you can see plus 18x cube minus 18x raised to the power 4. We cannot cancel because they are not like. They are having opposite sign, but they are not like. We cannot cut. So minus 1, any other one? Just see. No. And they are already arranged also. So plus 3x, only 3x, no other x. Minus 3x square minus 6x square. What we can write? Minus 3x square minus 6x square. We can write minus 9x square plus 18x cube. Any other x cube? Just see. Yes, plus 4x cube. So plus 18x cube plus 4x cube. What we can write? Plus 22x cube. Then minus 18x raised to the power 4 minus 12x raised to the power 4. It can come minus 30x raised to the power 4 because both are negative. So we can add the negative terms and sign minus sign will come. So it is coming minus 30x raised to the power 4. Then plus 4x cube. We had taken about x to here. Then minus 12x raised to the power 4 also taken. What is left now? Minus plus 12x raised to the power 5. So student answer is minus 1 plus 3x minus 9x square plus 22x cube minus 30x raised to the power 4 plus 12x raised to the power 5. Students, exercise 11C is completed. So carefully watch the video to understand the solution. So I hope you all understood the solution. So do the homework sums carefully and find the answer. Check the answer in answer sheet. Thank you.